Woo! What's going on, guys? It's your boy, man, Stunner Breezy, baby, coming to you live with another one. Another lit video, baby. So strap in, baby, because we here for a wild ride, boy. You see these prices on here, but first of all, hit that subscribe button. Some people been DMing me and say, man, I was subscribed. I came back, I wasn't subscribed. Man, I don't know if it's YouTube or what, but just make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and we're going to keep it moving, baby, because this information about to get fast and furious. Things about to start launching on Pulsechain. You want to be in first or early. You got to be first, but you doggone show better be early. You know what I'm saying? This time, we don't be waiting around to see who making money and ain't. You're going to win some, you're going to lose some. Hopefully your wins outweigh your losses. Anyway, let's keep it moving, shall we? Checking the pulse burn or whatever. We got 1.8 billion. I don't even really look at that because we'll look at that later on when it get maybe to 100 billion or something. But you see, hey, the price is going down, baby. Yesterday's price is not today's price. Today's price is not yesterday's price. Everything. Look at Hex, boy. Ooh, that thing might get under a penny. I don't know, man. But I'm gonna get into some numbers, show you something, because people they don't know whether they should be farming, should they be holding, should they be doing whatever. So I'm just gonna show you what I got going on. You know what I'm saying? So let's see what we got, man. Let's jump over here to the farm, right? So I just harvested some ink tokens and sent them over to the bridge, as you can see over here. Look at hey, I don't play around, boy. 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000. You know the 20,000, another 20,000, 10,000, another 20,000. That's what I do, baby. I get smite. See, when people talk about a permanent loss, they never talk about the gains. The money you should be sending back to your wallet. You can do what you want to do. I got one I ain't even claimed yet. I'm just telling you. So I don't take out, that's $100,000 right there. That's what I put in. So everything else is free money. I already got my money back I put in. So this 85,000, that's 78,000, that's all free money. If I would have just take all that out, send it to my wallet, I'm straight. You get what I'm saying? But I'm just gonna keep earning, because the impermanent loss is not what you think it is. It's all about what's important to you. People they change narratives. Just know that everybody has a narrative when they're talking about this stuff, except me, of course. I just give it to you straight, good or bad. That's up to you to decide. You know what I'm saying? So the one thing when people talk about a permanent loss is the loss of the coin, the loss of Pulsechain coins. That's the most important thing, right? He who has the most tokens win, right? You want more coins. Well, let me show you something just on even my end, right? Here go a video from a couple days ago. Let me blow that up so you can see. This is my video when I showed my what are they doing? Why did you show the God? Come on, play, baby. All right, bam. So here we go. So as you can see, I had 247 million Pulsechain tokens, right? So keep track of that. 247 and 222. So we'll just do this one for instance. 247 million, right? So let's go back and look at what I got. Now, I got 293 million, right? Prices is going down, the total value going down, but I got more Pulsechain tokens. So if it's about having more tokens, where's the impermanent loss? You get what I'm saying? I have more, because even if let's see what this right here is 43,000 USDC. Let's go to the exchange, see how much that is, right? Let's see how much that is. What's the USD? I ain't even got no USDC. What my USDC? Go down here like that right there. Flip that around. Let's see what that 43. Was it some spare change? Was it some spare change? Yeah, just basically even 43. We'll just keep it like that. 43,000. That's 290,000. Basically the same thing. So you double that. You get what I'm saying? Let me put out the calculator. Put out the old calcy. Put out the old calcy. So before I had 247 million. That's a long number, boy. Good God. I tried. Oh, no. Not 2 trillion. 247 million. They just do times 2. That's the easiest way to do it. times 2. That's 494 million, right? That was the old one when I had $100,000 in there, right? Now, clear that out. Come on. What I got now? Let's just say 290. Okay, let's take 290 and 290. I'm supposed to have a permanent loss, right? You're losing, right? So let's see. 290. Now I could be wrong, and I'm sure some statistician gonna be, what's Donnie? You got carry the one. You gotta carry the one. Pull out your abacus. 580 million. You see? So where's that permanent loss? And that ain't even including the money I've taken out into my pocket. So now I have more Pulsechain. You see what I'm saying? So is it about the dollar value or is it about the token? So when you see somebody talking about a permanent loss, you got to ask them that. Are we talking dollar value or are we talking token count? Because you can clearly see I have way more Pulsechain. So technically, let me get off this. Technically, I could just withdraw from both of these and have way more. I can have back over 1 billion tokens, and I've already taken out 100,000. So, and that ain't even include my little dessert down here. I got a little dessert basket down here. I got a little dessert now. I got a 31 million, little 0.1 BTC, little 10,000, 9,000 earning over here. That's my dessert. So, I don't know what people talking about. I swear I don't get it. I'm showing you raw numbers. I don't know, bro. You get what I'm saying? Even with these APRs, yeah, we want them to be 2,000, 3,000, but that's still 2% a day. 3% is 365. So you double that, that's 2%. So somewhere around that, it goes up and down. It might be 790, it could be 750. I don't know. But it's basically 2% a day. You get what I'm saying? Oh, and we ain't got to the, what you call it? The Pulse Miner. The Pulse Miner, $300 million. Not dollar. My bad. 300 million Pulsechain in the contract, bro. And a little old miner, bro. And the devs say the layer 2 is gonna be something like the EMP detonator. So it's gonna my guess is that it's gonna the fees or whatever from the Pulse is gonna just keep feeding Pulse into this contract. That's what I'm guessing that this layer 2 thing is up here. Right there. So when it's live, it's going to say layer 2 and it's just going to feed into this. So far, so hey, man, I showed it to you. It was 113 million in the contract. And they had 300 million. What you want me to say? That's just what I do, man. If I mention something on my channel, it's going to blow up. Don't nothing start till Stunner say it start. You understand what I'm saying? Anyway, what I got 319,000. I'm going to compound that. Compound that, baby. You know what I'm saying? Grow with the contract. Grow with the contract. Now, you ain't got to. I mean, you just claim. But, no matter what, whenever this thing ends, everybody gonna swear they like, I ain't made nothing. When everybody be hitting the claim, but you ain't no counter to show you how much you've taken out. So it could be 3 months, 10 months. Man, I ain't getting nothing. Man, I took a L on that. Well, you done tripled your money. But you know what I'm saying? It's like if somebody owe you, let me compound this. If somebody owe you $100 and they giving you $5 a day, but they give you that $5 a day for 3 years and they stop giving it to you, you gonna swear they still owe you $100. Man, you still owe me $100. Man, I've been giving you $5 a day for the past 5 years. It say it don't feel like it because there wasn't no lump sum. So that's why people swear they take an L in every platform because all they do is hit the claim button. And they getting little bits and little bits and little bits, and you think that's supposed to be forever. You see what I'm saying? They don't want to compound and up their miners to get more money, So, hey, man, I'm just trying to explain things to you. You ain't got to take my advice. Do what you want to do, but just know how stuff paying you. This thing is up for 3. By the time you see it might be 310. You know what I'm saying? Hell, it could be back to 290. I don't know. But it's a good start. So I wasn't an EMP, so I don't know how the EMP detonator worked, but I think that thing ran for over a year. So, hey, man, we'll see. Let me refresh the page, see what I got going on. Let's see. Hope I got to reconnect my wallet. I hope I got to reconnect. We might, though. Let's see. Nope. I already earned some Pulse. So I know it's taking more than 315 to get 1K miners. As it go up, it's harder to get the miner. That's why you need to compound or make your first shot your best shot. That's why I be telling you, make your first shot your best shot. Because if you put in $100 and then later on, oh yeah, it working, I'm gonna put in $1,000. You're getting less miners for putting in the $1,000. Where if you would have put the 1,000 in first, then put the $100 in. You know what I'm saying? But starters don't know what he's talking about. I'm just rambling on and on and on. But shout out to them, man. 300 million, that's stout for a miner. Boy, in a new chain, 300 million, that's crazy. But anyway, man, so that's what I was saying about the Pulsechain, about the permanent loss. That's up to you. It's what do you value, the USD or do you value the coin? Because even those that think they're smarter than everybody, they just sitting there holding their coins in their wallet, your value is going down. Like the prices don't lie. Your value is going down, bro. Yeah, this was 2.5. Now 1.4. So you down what, 40% or something like that? Come on, man. What we doing? You're no smarter than nobody else, bro. Just because you sitting there holding your Pulsechain coins in your wallet. I ain't holding nothing. I had $1 billion in my wallet. I ain't holding nothing. This is just from like the Pulse Miner, and when I take some of my ink tokens, sometimes I buy Pulsechain. That's just that. Let me see how much that got to be like $4,000. Let me see what that is. Yeah, that'll be fine. If I take that to swap it out for USD, it's $5,000. That's just basically free money again from other stuff. You have to earn money. Passive income is the way to go. I don't understand how some people are still so stupid. They just want to hold coins forever. What is wrong with you, bro? Hodling is old school. That's old technology, bro. You have to earn passive income. Because price is going to go up and down. You can't dictate. And now if I knew that this was the bottom, if I knew that this was the bottom in Pulsechain, if this was the bottom and it's just going to go up, then yeah, I would take this out because I got a lot of coins. I would withdraw from both of these, sell that USD back into Pulsechain, sell that ETH back into Pulsechain, and keep my 600 million. Well, actually, that'll be 580. So my billion, basically 1.1 billion tokens. I'd be basically back to where I started from, and I've already taken out $100,000. Bro, I don't understand what. Bro, this is the way to do it. I don't know. Somebody commented on my YouTube the other day. What you doing, Stunner? How you do it? What else do I need to? What you want me to say, bro? This is a solo sport. You got to figure some of this out on your own. I'm trying to explain. I'm giving you different scenarios as to tell you what you want to do. I just believe that just holding the coin is not the way to go. It may end up working out in the end 2 years from now. But at that point, money's in my pocket. I'm trying to get people to get money in their pocket to change their life, bro. That's what I do. You want all that other pie in the sky moonboy stuff and you finna 100,000x, go to the other channel, watch that. Sometimes you need that affirmation. I get it. But here, I'm showing you everything. The prices, what I'm doing, how I do it, when I do it. You know what I'm saying? This page right here, really, I could care less. Because I'm going to keep doing the same thing. The price going to be the price. If it go up, fine. If it go down, fine. Because I'm just going to keep on getting my money every day. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, man, like the video, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you ain't subscribed. Holla back at your boy, man. Let me look at this Pulse Miner again. It's like, 300 million. Shout out to y'all.